Day 28. Welcome back to Day 28. Today, we focus on the language of analysis and presentations. Instead of saying show or maybe, we're going to use words that show you can think critically and explain complex ideas. Let's dive in. 1. Indicate. The upgrade. Use indicate instead of the simple word show when data or signs suggest a specific fact or trend. Definition. To show, point, or make clear in another way. Example. The latest data indicates a clear trend toward remote work. Checkpoint. What do your current results indicate about your progress this month? 2. Illustrate. The upgrade. Replace show or explain with illustrate when you use examples, charts, or stories to make a point clearer. Definition. To show the meaning or truth of something more clearly, especially by giving examples. Example. This graph illustrates the rapid change in customer behavior over the last year. Checkpoint. Can you think of a story that illustrates a lesson you learned recently? 3. Presumably. The upgrade. Instead of saying maybe or I think, use presumably when you make an educated guess based on what is likely to be true. Definition. Use to say what you think is the likely situation. Example. Presumably, the technical issue has been resolved, as the system is back online. Checkpoint. Presumably, you are learning English for a specific reason. What is that main goal? Day 28. Contextual summary. The data indicates a shift in the market, which this chart illustrates perfectly. Presumably, our strategy will need to adapt to these findings. Key takeaway. Let's recap today's analytical upgrades. Indicate, when data points to a fact. Illustrate, when you make an idea clear with an example. Presumably, when you make a logical assumption. When you use these words during a meeting or a presentation, you sound like someone who has a deep understanding of the topic. Pick one word. Indicate, illustrate, or presumably, and write your sentence. Thank you for your focus today. Don't forget to practice. Stay consistent. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.